Hey cuties! So today I'm actually gonna talk. Isn't that good? As you can see, I am just getting out of bed. I love my bed. Rocking it, okay? I'm going to do something fun and funky. I'm scared. So fun. And not only that, it's a collab. So yes, I am doing a collab with my friend Christina, and we're going to be doing the number makeup challenge. So I'm going to leave her video and her Instagram and her stuff down below. Please don't forget to check her out. Please subscribe to my channel and also subscribe to hers.
Say, yeah, I gotta stay on my mission. Yo, back on the money, okay. Say, I've been gone, but I'm home. I really been through the storm. Say, y'all niggas sound like stone. Say, I gotta fit it for money. Scar for life.
I'm going to be doing this with the Rude Cosmetics palette. Yeah, I had put in this bag. You can see how I put in the bag. I am cutting the numbers and putting it in this bag. But okay, so I have every number in this bag. There's 30 eyeshadow. I'm going to use this and I'm going to spice it up. Hopefully, you know, I don't know. Hopefully it looks cute. We'll see what kind of colors we get. I might do my hair at the end. It looks like a mess. I don't know, guys. But let's get into it. So I'm going to pick 4 colors, but I don't know. I might use 3 or I might use 4. I don't know. We'll see. But I'm going to pick 3 to 4 colors. And just so you know, I'm not cheating. This is my bag. Okay. So the first number is 10. Sorry for my nails. Next number is 26. The next one is 8. I'm excited. And the next one is 18. So let's see what shades those are. So let's first start off with 8. It is this color right here. It is like a beautiful bronze gold glittery shade. That's number 8. So the next one is 10. So number 10 is this beautiful brown color. It's like a lightish brown. That is really good. Like, I thought I was gonna get some crazy colors, y'all. So the next one is 18. Okay, so 18 is this color right here. That is pretty. I haven't used that color before. The next one is 26. So the next one is 26 and it's this color. That is pretty. I mean, I never used it. You guys can see the fly in my room. But let's get started. I'm excited. So I'm gonna try to use every color. I really am gonna try to use every color. But I'm gonna do my eyebrows real quick and I'll be right back. All right, cuties. So the first shade I'm going to use is number 18, and that is this beautiful orangey brown shade. It has a little shimmer in it. I think it's really pretty, and I never used it before, so let's just use it. It's really pretty and it's really shimmery. I actually really like it. It's matte, but it has like a little bit of shimmer in it. Like, it's really cute. It's like a burnt orange type of shade, and I'm just taking that and I'm taking it from my crease and I'm blending it all the way up to my brow bone. Okay, so I have it blended. It's really pretty. I don't know if you can see like the little shimmers, but it's really, really pretty. So now I'm going to go in with number 10, which is this brown shade. It's like it's not muddy, but it's kind of like dirt. You know what I'm saying? Like, it's like dirt. What I'm going to do with this shade, and I'm going to take it on the outer edge and blend it into my crease. Okay, since I have that done and did, I'm trying to figure out how I'm going to incorporate brilliance and how I'm going to incorporate this one. I was feeling like putting that one on the top and putting this one on the bottom, but I actually want to make this the center of attention. Do I want to go for it? I really do. So I think what I'm going to do is I'm going to probably cut my crease and I'm going to put it on there. I'm just going to be bold. Alright, so I told you I'm gonna be bold. So I cut my crease and now I'm gonna use this color. I'm doing it. I'm gonna do it. I'm scared, but I'm doing it. I'm putting it right there first so I can see how it looks. I'm gonna take it on the outer edge. Moving my way into the front with my hand. Gorgeous. So I'm gonna take that other shade and put that in my inner corner. I'm just looking at it because it turned out beautiful. This is beautiful. Look, this is like so cute. Girl, it's like a brown with the iridescent blue. I want to take a blue on the bottom. I know that's kind of cheating, but I am going to take a blue on the bottom like I don't know, I just want to do it. Sorry, I'm cheating a little bit. I think I'm going to take this color, but first I gotta like clean up my face. I'm really excited because I actually really like this look. So I'm gonna set my face. So like I said, I wanted to add an additional color. I'm sorry, but I am. So I'm gonna use this color. So I'm gonna add a black on my waterline. Number 8, and I'm gonna put that in my inner corner and on my brow bone. Okay, so now I'm gonna use highlight. The lips, I'm thinking this, but I might not. I might just go for this. I wish I had a better shirt on, but it's okay. I'm not wearing around. So let me show you a close up. You see my eye is irritated over there? It's from that liner I'm poking at, so. Okay guys, so I hope you guys enjoyed this look, this tutorial. So you guys have a blessed day.